Hello and welcome in the Dying Light the Beast game. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to display or hide the stamina bar in this game, so stay with me and enjoy watching. As the first step we have to open the settings. To do it, press the O button on your keyboard or move over here and open options. Now choose the second tab, which is HUD, and scroll down to see the player section over here. The third option will be a stamina bar. You can completely hide it or show it always. What is stamina bar? It is displayed at the bottom center part of the screen and it indicates your stamina usage during a combat and parkour, so it is worth to leave it visible, but if you want to make your game harder, then it's okay to switch it completely off. I think it will be much more worse than for example hide the player's health bar or peace bar. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye.